Did you know in 1932, Australia actually declared wars on emus? Yes, a real war, with soldiers and machine guns against flightless birds. Farmers in Western Australia were desperate. Over 20,000 emus were destroying crops, so the military was called in. Their mission: eradicate the feathered menace. Lieutenant GPW Meredith led the charge with 2 machine guns and 10,000 rounds of ammunition. But the emus were agile, scattering at the first sign of trouble. After weeks of skirmishes, and using only 2,500 rounds, the military withdrew. The final casualty count: just a few hundred emus. The emus officially won the war. No way. Could a flock of birds outsmart an army?